Somatofulness opens the doors to the body's wisdom. It starts with a stage of sensations. When we become aware of our body and the life energy flowing in it, it is enhanced by understanding our somatic personality with which we were born. As we feel and follow life energy in the body, it will expand, it will increase. And there will be a point of breakthrough. It will become like a tsunami. It will start breaking all our old patterns of emotional problem, mental health and trauma. And that will lead to the second stage of sensuality. In the stage of sensuality, this energy is fully established in the body. We feel full, complete, and the experience of it is like sexual arousal. But this sensuality is asexual. The body feels warm, body feels full spontaneously. We are healed. We are in the state of continuous well-being. And after this, no emotional or mental health problem can ever touch. But this is not the last stage, because then we move into the stage of sensuousness. In sensuousness, finally this life energy breaks the boundary of the body. It goes beyond the body and it connects to everyone else around us, to the earth, to the nature and the universe. And that is the point where we arrived at the peak of living and fulfillment. And that is the peak of somatofulness.